Okay, after bringing this inside, next come to the movable jaw. Drag it inside. So now this bottom surface should coincide. There is a mate with respect to this face. Now drag this inside. There is outside. Now right click and this face should mate with respect to this face. Then move it inside. Move it inside. Anywhere, okay. Any position, you drag this and place it. Finish it. After this, we need to bring a screw rod. Select it, rotate it to the required position by using a center button of your mouse and cut it inside. Then this rod should coaxial with respect to this center, or you can also select this side, okay, this cylinder. Click on this. Okay, now this surface should mate with respect to surface. Here it will come. So now finish it off. After this, we need to bring the washer. Before doing the assembly of that nut, we need to bring the washer. Now this hole should coaxial with respect to this rod. Once again, this surface should mate with respect to this face. Now finish it off. Now bring the lock nut. Bring the lock nut. Drag it inside. So now this center should coincide with respect to this one. Drag it outside. Now right click, then this face. By using left click, you click on this face that should mate with respect to this face. Once again, if you want to align the nut, this surface should parallel to this surface. See, it will rotate. Okay, after this, bring the one more nut, that is nut M10 inside, cut it. Now this should coincide with respect to this rod. Drag this outside. So now then right click. By using left click, you select the surface with respect to, it should mate with respect to this surface, and it should be parallel to this nut surface, should be parallel to this one. Now quit it and click on select. It will finish. Okay. Assembly of that is both the nuts completed. After this, you need to go for the assembly of jaw grip, or else go to assembly of this clamping plate. Both are okay. Anything you can do it. So now let me go for the assembly of jaw grip. Rotate it to required position. So this is from the bottom, it is 12.5 here, 12.5 is there. Okay, now from here to here it is, from this surface to here 12.5 is there. Okay, that should match in such a way that we need to rotate here. Such a way that you need to rotate and then drag it inside. So now this bottom surface should exactly mate over here. Once again, the center of this hole should coincide with respect to center of this one. It will fit. Once again, this face should mate with respect to this one. See here, it will come. Finish it. Now keep this in front and just observe here. Keep this in visible hidden edges here. Exactly it is matching here. And this also exactly it is placed over here. From here to here to this center it's 12.5 is there. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, many of you, you're taking this surface and fixing here, and from here to here it is 15.5 is there. It will not assemble. Okay, then this whole center and this whole center will not coincide if you take this surface this side, because from here to is 12.5 is there, from here to here it is 15.5 is there. Be careful, otherwise it will not assemble. Okay, after this, if this is an isometric, fit it, come to the screw, assembly of the screw. So now this should coincide with respect to control Z, delete it once again, call, rotate it to the required position. Now you drag this inside, and this should coincide with respect to the center, and this surface should mate with respect to this one. See how it will go inside. Once again, this cutout surface should parallel to this surface. It will rotate, screw will rotate. So now once again, if you want, you can mirror it, or else once again you assemble it. Okay, anything is okay. Now click on this assembly part, and here show, okay, show planes, reference planes. Now I will go for the mirror component. Now which one is the mirror plane here, about which you need to mirror? This is a plane. So now select the component. Which component? Screw. Now click on, and then OK. Finish it. So here exactly it has been mirrored. Or else if you want, you can assemble it once again, not a problem. After this, come to the next, rotate it to required position. Okay, now bring click on part library. Here once again we need to assemble a jaw grip, and here we need to rotate it to required position. Then drag it inside. So now this bottom surface should exactly sit over here. Now this surface exactly should match with respect to this one. Once again, one more relationship is this whole center should coincide with respect to this whole. It will move. Finish it. Okay. So here I will hide these planes. I don't want. Hide this. After this, assemble the screw. Rotate it to required position. This should coincide with respect to this one. Once again, this face should mate with respect to this one. See, it will rotate, it will move. After this, this cutout surface, this is not mandatory actually. To clearly see the assembly of the parts, we can do this. Okay, this is not mandatory to rotate this surface with respect to this surface. Here it will rotate vertically with respect to that. After this, show planes. The planes will come. Now once again go to mirror component. Okay, now about which plane I need to mirror? This plane. Which component? Select the component. It is asking. Click on the component to mirror. Which component? This is the one, right? So select this, then click on that. Okay, finish it. Here. Okay, now go to assembly pathfinder, and here hide this. Once again go to part library, and here clamping plate. Okay, you rotate it to the required position. Okay, now drag this inside. So now this hole should coincide with respect to this hole. Drag this outside. And now right click, then left click. By left click to select the surface. Select the surface. It should be parallel to this particular face. And now this bottom surface should meet over exactly over the okay. It has fit exactly over it. Finish it. Finish it. Here go to more part. Select this and we can linear movement. Okay. Can move this part to the required position. Okay, mirror, go to mirror option. Show this. Then go to this click on mirror components. So I want to mirror about this plane. Okay, this is a component I need to mirror. Click on this. Okay, then finish. Okay. So now assembly of all the parts have been completed. Now place it on isometric. Fit this. I want to hide these planes. I don't want here. Hide this. So now go to file and save this. Machine wise 1. Save this. Then file. Create drawing. Okay. Then next. Select the front. This is a basic view. Click on next. Already front is selected. Top view and isometric. Click on this. Then finish it. Place it here. Then right click on sheet 1. Sheet setup. Okay, we need only A4 here. Uncheck this show background. Save defaults. Okay. Then fit it. Drag this inside the sheet. And this also drag this inside the sheet. Okay. Right click here. Select the view. Right click. Or just select it. Click on the last option, that is a grayscale with visible edges. Then update the view. Okay. Okay, now this is isometric with the gray, shaded edges. Now we need to show the section front view. Click on this. Click on the cutting plane. First we need to draw the cutting plane. On which view? You need to show the cutting plane on the top view. Select the top view. Now through the center of this, draw a line. Through the center. Now this. Finish it. Okay, this side we need to place it. Now go to sectional view. Okay, now click on the cutting plane. It is asking. Click on this cutting plane. Now move the cursor, exactly place it. There is a bottom, this one, and top of this box should coincide exactly with the front view. In such a way that we need to. Now it is coinciding. See here? Just go on moving it. Yes. Okay, it is matching now. Then place it. Finish it off. So now once again, we need to show the part library. Click on this part list. On which view? This one. Select this. I don't want bullets, only I need the part list only. There's a bill of material I need. Finish it. Drag this in this side. Okay. Once again, right click here, properties, columns, remove this document number, remove it. Okay. So now all the parts have been assembled here. You can see here 2, 4, right? There are total 9 parts are there, out of which jack grip 2 numbers, screw there is a 4 numbers have come here. Actually here 2 more screws we have, I think we have not assembled here at the bottom. That's why it is not showing here. Okay, I think we have not done that particular what is that? Assembly 1. Okay, here and here we have not assembled these 2 screws. That's why it is showing 4. We need to assemble here also in the same fashion. Screw, call the screw inside, rotate it. Okay, this should coincide with respect to this one. Okay, this top surface should coincide with respect to this face. Once again, drag this since one more screw. This should coincide with respect to this one, and the top surface should coincide with respect to the mate with respect to that top surface. Now finish it. Save this. Isometric, fit it, save. Close it. Okay. Here it will come. Once again, if you go for the part list, it will come. Select this, finish it. Click on update. Here it will come. Click on this update, it will come. Properties, click on columns, remove this document number. Okay. Now 6 numbers now come here. So you can see. Screw is 6 numbers. So like this, you need to complete. Save this.